Blanket production process.
Knitting. The first step of the blanket production process is the mounting of the virgin high-quality polyester yarn onto the circular knitting machines. The yarn will be knitted into fabric for further processing. Quality control checks will take place at every step of the process. At this stage, the knitted fabric will be checked for GSM, width, and knitting faults in the fabric, lapping and raising. In the second phase, the knitted polyester fabric is lapped via lappers and then raised on the raising machines. Stentering. The fabric goes through the stenter machine, where the width, thickness and GSM are adjusted to the desired dimensions. The aim of this process is to make the fabric dimensionally stable. Blankets and samples are being inspected to check various quality parameters, such as thickness, strength, weight, and visual faults. Cutting. The fabric is now cut by the semi-automatic cutting mechanism. It is cut according to the specifications provided by the client. Stitching. Next, the cut panels are sent to the stitching department and are stitched from all four sides. Logo stitching on the blanket is also done if requested by the client. Folding and packing. The blankets are now folded manually, pressed and packed in waterproof polyethylene bale bags. The finished packed bales are now stacked and ready for loading and shipping.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.